Good evening, guys. This is me again, Carlo Gino, your copy paste developer slash engineer, and today will be the day 34 of my 100 Days of Code challenge. For today, of course, I forgot to open my Trello. Yesterday, okay, I created what you see is what you get editor using Quill.js and integrated that in Angular via NGX Quill. And also, I created a module for the blog. Um, okay, for today, I will just continue with the blogs part. Basically, in the add, I should be able to add this in the admin. So yesterday, if I try to add something here, say blog, as you can see, the JSON here got updated because it's pushing to my Redux. Now, what I will do is to first refactor my. Wait, I did not create here. Okay, use ngrx entities. I will use this because it will make my life easier in the future because it will create a CRUD operations that I will need. Okay, sorry. Thank you, Marielle, for sharing. I did not notice the. Can you hear me now properly? I don't know. Thank you, fucking too hard for mentioning that. Hello, hello, hello. Okay, I'll check my phone for the regarding the sound. Oh, thank you. By the way, thank you again to fucking too hard. What a very nice name. Yeah, you're from Twitch, right? Yeah, because earlier this this kind stranger here told me that my voice there's just static. There was just static, and I thank you for that. Thank you. Okay, I will continue with what I'm doing. Oh shucks. Um, I was trying to create here this NGRX entities, and I'm using this to simplify most of the work because it will automatically generate for me. Okay, it's asking me, do you want to create functions? Okay, whatever. Now I have these files, and I remember that I can remove this other stuff that I created yesterday. And also for the blogs. Oh, I'm doing this because I'm using now the NGRX entities. By the way, if you're still watching fucking too hard, are you also a developer? In here, as I can see, there's no error yet, but I'm expecting here error because I just recently deleted the file. I want to recompile this, and I'm wondering why is there no error. I'm expecting an error here actually. Oh, I almost forgot that I need to turn on my timer. Okay. Okay, I'm still getting an error here, but I can simply reuse the other one. Now I can see the errors, but only in the compiler. I want to see actually it here. Oh, my Docker is not running. I forgot to enable that. Oh, okay. You're at lunch. Oh, it's actually 8 p.m. here in Singapore. Oh, so what country are you from? Yeah, I say that I'm also a beginner, so I'm not really an expert. Oh, okay. Who recommended you? I'm not sure if it's, I forgot the name, but he's from Slovakia. Okay, now I can run this Docker container. Oh, Lithuania. Nice to meet you also. It's so weird to call you by your IGN. Fucking fucking too hard. That's a weird name. Nope. Okay, sorry, I was carried away with what we're discussing. La- Now, what country is in what continent is Lithuania? Okay, I can just ask you if you're watching. In what continent is that? Ah, Europe. Wow. Okay, that's why the times it's just lunchtime. Okay, I need to close this because I'm expecting in my editor to get some error. Yeah, from Europe. Oh, nice meeting you again. It's good to have somebody to talk to because sometimes it's very boring doing coding and doing live stream. Okay, I need to show something. Okay, while waiting for the errors to appear, I can just actually modify the content. Selectors, blah 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 blah. Component. Okay, I will go to my profile admin. Profile and admin blogs. Uh, so I'm just waiting for this to finish. Oh, thank you for following. Fucking too hard. Sorry for the other viewers. I'm not cursing. I'm just reading the comment from this new friend of mine. Okay, I can I think I should rename my selectors just for consistency. Okay, to you, my new friend, I will just give you some context on what I'm doing. So it's just a portfolio, and yeah. So for today, I'm adding the blog, the blog part. I mean the blog, not a vlog. Add blog. And what I'm doing here is just adding the ngrx. So it might be boring for now because I'm doing some refactoring. Blah blah blah, add blog, and the type is blog, which is id string. What I need to do here is to use the model. I think I created a model somewhere here. It should be in the portfolio in the common library. API interfaces lib in here. So just to give you some context regarding this is the API interface for the front end and back end, so they will have a consistent um yeah, type. Okay, I might need to, I forgot where I put that anyway, I'll just export another type here. Export interface blog, which will have an ID of type number, and its content will be a string. So it's as simple as that, but I need to use here. Okay, I'm getting an error here because it's not existing from blogs that blog. Oh, sorry, my bad. Not that, but select all. And just to be safe with the type blog coming from, yep, this one. Select all have an error because I'm referencing to the incorrect blog. If I'm not mistaken, ngrx entity will create it will create some models. Okay, this one I need to delete this because I should not be referencing here, and this should be an array of that. They should be referencing to the one in the API interface. It's so boring for today. Wait, why am I getting here some error? Oh, okay. I just realized that because I created an ID, now it's still getting an error. Why? But I think I created the right type. ID and content of string. Okay, content any. Argument ID number is not assignable to parameter blog. Okay. So I'm doing this the wrong way. It should be blog, and it should contain the ID, which is, for now, I'll just use this ID, and I need to add another property, which is content. Okay, okay. I hope you enjoyed your lunch, and thank you for watching. Okay, see you soon. Fucking too hard. In here, I'm getting select all. Blog is missing in the following type. Why? In my reduce, okay, in my selector, I think I should be getting here a correct value. unless I have some errors in the reducer. Wait, I think it's all right. Okay, thank you again, fucking Tuad, for your support. Select blog state. Create selector. I'm not sure why is this like this. Create selector blog state. Okay. It's returning okay, of course this needs to be invoked or executed passing the state. Need to check for some errors. Admin module, I'm having an error there. I think it's a simple import issue, but where? It should be in the blog module, blog admin module. Blog reducer. I hope there's no more error. Okay, now I can check for the result, and oh, it's empty. Oh, okay. That's because I don't have a default. So in my in here, I guess I can simply adapter that add one. What was it again? Content test ID 1. Wait, expected argument. And of course I need to pass here the state, which is this one, initial state. Will it work? Oh, there's still no content because I need to assign this to, oh wait, initial state. I think for the meantime I can use this to define my state because I want to have a default value. But how? Okay. What I can do here is to go to the admin module, and in the admin blogs, in the ng on init, this.blogstore that dispatch, what was that again, add blog, and this will be blog ID of, okay, I'll try to use the current date, new date, that get time. Content would be, what should be the content? Okay, some initial state. If I check the content, So there's no error, and I just need to refresh this. Now I have this, and what I need to do again is, okay, let me quickly save my changes because it's quite important. Oh, that was too loud, sorry. Blog added okay, added ngrx entities to blog module. The next thing that I need to do is, of course, create a better container for this thing. In the blogs, what I will do is to create another component using nx. That's okay. I will just adjust my gain here. Okay, I hope it's not too loud. I think it is too loud. I don't know. I have only 2 viewers, and just in case, please inform me if my voice was too loud or is too loud. Okay, the next thing that I need to do is in the blogs, I need to link all of the blogs created. I need to display. So that story is in this card, list blogs. List blogs. So I think I should add it here. Where's that? Should be in the pages, blogs. Here. So the first thing is I need to get the list. In my constructor, I will inject the store, private read only blog store, and it's a type of store which is coming from import as from blog from reducer / blog reducer from blog that state. And for now, I can add here a getter, get blogs. This return this dot blog store dot select. Oh, my bad. It should be the other way around. Should be pipe select from, okay, get blogs, and in my section body, I will create here a div or ng container, ng for blog of blogs async, and I can simply display, okay, for now just a div blog p id blog that id and content. Let me check what is the result for this. Blogs, I'm actually not getting anything. Okay, I realized that in here, in the blogs module, I need to inject the store. So store module that for feature, okay, that for feature, and this should be coming from import from reducer slash blog reducer as from blog that blog's feature key, and I will pass here as a second argument the adapter, the reducer, and I'm expecting now to that this will pass still no content. Let me check the logs if there are any errors. Oh, okay, my bad. It's because the blogs, okay, I'm now getting here an error. So cannot read property IDs of undefined. What the heck? If I go back, now it's initialized. So the problem here is, wait, let me test. What is the cost of error here? If I go to admin, memes does not exist. Okay. Let me check. Wait, what was my okay, if I in admin root, I have an some error, but I will ignore that for now. In my admin pages admin module. Okay, so I need to add here the memes as well. From meme memes feature key reducer. I hope this will fix the error. Yep, the error has been fixed. Okay, what I will do is commit these changes. Wait, what did I change? I see I just injected integrated store with I fix loading of okay, fix ngrx store issue for blogs. Testing. Hello. I'm trying to check my voice. While waiting for this, I will check if testing. Okay, it's still okay. Let me continue. I need a way to add a default content so I don't need to navigate away. It should be in the reducers in here. Get initial state. I forgot how to okay, I guess I can use this adapter that add 1, and this will be the second argument. Content initial content and ID of 1. Okay, it's working now, but I need I should remember to revert this to the revert this to the original code. I will create a copy, and for that copy I should only use this initial state. This is temporary. To do use this in production. If I go back to my blogs list, I have here my original content, and just in case I add this, okay, let me add some blog. If I save it, okay, I guess it's not yet hooked. Oh, Ivan, thank you for sharing. Hey, you should watch this because it's time for you to learn. Oh, it's not adding. I need to check if my state is persisting. If I say blog, what? There are too many events here. Wait, if I let me refresh. Actually, I'm adding a blog, but the ID is 1. I'm guessing if it's causing the issue because there is already an ID 1. So what I can do here is to new date. Okay, simplify this. Date that now that get. Oh wait, it's not working. Okay, I'll just use the new date that get time. This is not really unique, but it's all I can do for now. And let me try again. Now it's adding because it has a unique. It's not really unique. I will think of a unique way to add that. Okay. And what? Okay, let me go back to my blogs. Now I have 2 in here, but as you can see, it's weird. So it's containing the HTML counterpart. What I will do here is to create parse this into an, sorry, how do I say it? How to parse it to the content of the HTML. I don't know how to say it. Anyway, to add instant design, I will add here a math card module. And I will simply use here the math card it should be the math card content. Okay, for the title, I will simply use the ID. Okay, let me check what. Now we have this. Okay, I guess the state is not persisting during refresh. I guess that my what I'm trying to say is my HMR is not working, because previously if I refresh this, I mean if I save this ID, it should still contain 3, but now it reverted to 1. If I check state, yeah, I only have 1 here. Too bad that my HMR module is not working. Okay, should be an easy way to develop, anyway, I will not waste time on that. Okay, in here I now have this list of blogs. If I add something in my content, for example, I will add here an image. Let me check what will be the result. In the editor it's looking good, and if I save this, there's nothing really, but if I check the content, it's quite ugly. So to load this, what I will do is to use here article inner HTML is equals to blog.content. Of course I need to add again and try to apply here some styling. Let me save that and go back to my blogs. As you can see, it's being rendered properly now, and it's very big. Unfortunately the image is very big. I hope that I can add a small one, but I don't know how to make it smaller, this image. Yeah, actually that's my problem now, how to make this smaller. But for basic text, it should be working as expected. If I'm not mistaken, if I use here CK editor, it should be easier. Okay, let me try if this will be saved. Home, blogs. Oh, there's no color. I guess I need to add here a parsing. Okay, if I'm not mistaken, I already have a utility for parsing in inner HTML. But where was it? It should be in the pipes. Okay, pipes. In modules, I should have here wait, okay, let me try to check the usage of this one. Oh, okay, it's being used in the resume module, so there is no Okay, there is no module for this. Okay, if I use this in my blogs, then I'm expecting it to fail. I mean the compilation, because there are two declarations. Okay, I just hope I'm wrong. But for component, it will fail from pipes. I hope it will not fail. Actually, it's not failing. Okay, that's good. Wait, is there an error? I'll go back to admin, blogs, and add some content in here with a style. If I save this and go back to my blogs, oh, it's the content is not still not being processed. The question is why the styles were stripped. But I actually have here this. And if I check my state, it's looking good. The question is why it's not working properly. Huh, okay. What I can do is copy this content and save this as an initial state in my, where's the reducer? Reducer, block reducer. I will add here a second entry. Oh, wait. Add many. Now I should have a default two entries here. What? Could not be found. Wait, why? I'm getting here an error. The async pipe could not be found. So I guess it's not working if I use this. Entity state of blog. Which should be correct. Add many. Why are you not working? This should work. Content and ID is different. Okay, let me try. If I comment this, there's no error. Pipe async could not be found. This might be caused by using getter. Okay, if I go back to the blogs under admin, should not really be in admin, but in here sometimes I'm experiencing this weird behavior. So what I will do now here is to uh, create an explicit type in here. I mean explicit property, and instead of defining here a getter, I will define here this dot blogs is equals to that. It should be an observable of blog. This needs to be imported, of course. Hey, compile. Blog model. Why do I have that blog model? Admin blogs component. Wait, it's not existing. Blog.model. Why do I have this file? Wait. I need to update here these things. Anyway, it's not related to my problem. So it was just a compilation issue. Okay, it's still not working. Okay, there's a JIT error. So my usual solution for that is to simply... Okay, this is the one that I was talking about, that you cannot declare it in one module. So what I need to do is to create another module for utility. But do I really need to do that? I actually don't want. But since I don't have a choice, I will do it. Okay, you need to check my phone. Oh, I can hear my voice. Ha. What did I do here? Okay, updated UI for list of blogs. I need to create a module to hold the two reference, because I'm getting an error here since I used a component or a pipe in two modules. So using NX, I will create another module for web app, and Okay, I don't know how to call it. Okay, I think I will just call it utilities modules slash utilities. I forgot how to spell. Utilities that module, and I hope this is enough. I now have this module, so what I will do is to declare here the pipe. I forgot the, what was it, trust HTML parser. Okay, sanitize should be sanitize pipe. Oh wait, why I could not use the VS Code. I'm not sure what's happening. Pipes sanitize. In here I will import that, and I need to export that as well. And in my resume module, if I'm not mistaken, that should be somewhere here. Instead of declaring that, I need to import the newly created module. Import from modules slash utilities slash utility module utilities module, and this should be imported here as well instead of the component. Import from modules utilities slash module. Now I don't have an error, but let me check. Oh, I still have. ng exports but could not resolve to an ng. What? Where's the utilities? But it's already a module. So what is your problem, compiler? But itself has an error. Is listed, but it is not a directive, a component, or a pipe. Wait, you are a pipe, so it should be okay. Okay, have you tried turning it on and off? Okay, the classic restart fix the job. Now I'm not getting the other error. Sanitizing HTML strips some content. Why do you need to sanitize it? Let me try if I don't sanitize the content. Where's my sanitizer? Okay. For now, I'll simply parse the value. Still not okay. Bypass security the trust style. Still not working. What if I don't sanitize? I don't get it. It was working. I mean, for my resume, it's actually working. As you can see here, I have some. Okay, maybe it's just working for the bold and the other stuff. Let me try. If I create a new content and H1 title and this middle one should be bold and the last part will be italics and the first one will be underlined. If I save this and go back to my blogs, yeah, I guess it's only working for this and not for the other. Hey, Bronson, shout out to you. I didn't saw your message. I didn't see it. Sorry. I'm not sure why it's what is being stripped here. I guess the style. But for the other for the other part, it's not being stripped. Okay, I will worry for that later. Oh, I created a comment here, which I just did a couple of minutes ago. I can uncomment that. But still, I am not getting my expected result here. What I will do is to go back to the reducer. I need to clean this up. Blog reducer. And to update the layout of the contents. Okay, layout should be in the blogs here. For math card, I will add a class of blog. It should be an article, but I'm too lazy. Maybe I should make this an article, or maybe not. Blog should be it should have a padding of 1 rem, and for the containing this should be the class blogs wrapper dot blogs wrapper. I will add here a margin bottom aside from the last element, not last child, margin bottom. I need to add an import to my variable SCSS variables, styles variables, and the variable will be margin medium. Okay, I think I need to add some padding here. Matte card, padding of 1 rem. Okay, maybe not that. Wait, should be there. Padding of 1 rem, box sizing of border box. Why is this happening? Oh, I see, because this is the content body. Okay, I get it now. I need to create a container here of article. Wait, I forgot what is the hierarchy, article or section. Forgot the other one. Anyway, that's not important for today, but for tomorrow, of course, that's important for my SEO. Let's check the output now, and yep, it's a bit better. Oh, maybe not yet. In my article, padding of 1 rem. Yep. Or I'll guess I'll base my style on medium. I'll post this for now. I want to check a list of blogs website. I'll search for a popular blogger and check out how they format their blogs. This is not what I'm looking for. Dev blogs. This is how they lay out their preview. Oh, I just realized maybe I should focus on defining what are the properties or fields. This blog should have, okay, I'll get back here. So we should have an author, tags, author tags, which is an array of string, created at, which is a string, a date, and updated at date as well. I should also have a title, which is a type of string. What else? I think that should be enough. And of course this how do I say this, cover photo, cover photo, which is okay, it can be a string for now. I'm expecting that there should be an error. Okay, I'm getting here an error. I should add an author code Gina cover photo test created at new date updated at new date. Tags can be empty. Title is some title. If I go back, of course there should be no changes, but if I update the component, instead of getting here the title, getting here the ID, I should be getting the title, and this can be h2. And tags, I can add here tags p. Okay, for simplicity, I will simply display here a JSON representation of the tags. JSON h3 by blog.author and the date blog.date created at. Let's check for the result. Oh, this is ugly, and I'm wondering why h4 is bigger than h3. Anyway, what's the problem? So I should fix that first. It should be in the libs. Where should that be? I forgot. Hello Israel, thank you for liking. Now I get styles, and for the responsive, where is the h4? I don't have an h4, so that's the cause. And this should be a percentage, but I don't know why I used here absolute value. Okay. This should be smaller. Please be smaller. Nope, you're still big. Of course, I forgot to make this h4. Now this is looking much better, but this should be only this format. Google JavaScript format date. I don't want to use a library for this, so I hope there's an easy way. Okay, I'll just use this. But I want a date in other format. I mean the I should add here I don't want to use a library for this. If I heard the news correctly, there is Moment.js is not being maintained anymore. So this, but previously, for my other projects, I was using that. Mm-hmm. Long date. Okay, let me try using the long date. Too long. Okay, I will try in simply here. New date that to date string. Okay. I'm thinking if I really need here the very big margin. Where did I add that code? Margin. Small. Very small. Mm-hmm. Oh, I forgot this to save the padding. Should be in the blogs. Padding 0 and 1 rem, or padding very is small and padding small. Okay, I'm getting here a padding. But for the contents, okay, I'll add tags here. And I will use the one I used in memes to display the tags. Where did I use that? Tags. Photo list, photo detail. I use here a matte chip list. But of course this needs to be imported math chip module. I'm getting here an error because it should be blog. This class should be removed unless I have some detail there. There's none, so I can also remove it here. If I go to blogs, oh, this looks very bad. But it's aligned center properly. Okay, unless this is applying here. For blog. Yep. So I need to add this greater than sign to prevent that for happening, because this will be applied to only to immediate children. For the tag, I think this should be centered. So what I will do is to add a class here. Class tags. Tags just justify content center. Okay, my time is up, so I will just save my changes. Okay, but I want to finish this simple problem. Justify content center. Oh, I don't get. So why is it not working? Don't tell me. Math chip list wrapper. This is intriguing me. So this one is containing the tags, but the one I want to okay, in here, let me try to add text align center. Not yet. Still not working. Okay, so what I will do is add here a class. I'm not sure if this will work. It's not working, but if I add here ngdip, I guess it will work. Oh, still not working. Maybe it should be double colon. Yep, it's working now. But I'm not sure if that's a good practice, because if I could remember correctly, there is some code scanning that don't want you use that don't want us to use this. And also, I'm not sure this is going to be deprecated. That's of course that's just based on what I read, and maybe I forgot it. But for now, I will add here a comment. Uh, Check of a better way to center tags. Mm, I need to check for other places where I can get error. But for now, I will save this. Updated properties of blogs. It should be in the admin and blogs. I'm expecting this to have an error. Yep. Because I updated this on others apart. Cover photo. Created at should be a date. New date. Tags. Test 1. Test 2. Test 3. Title. Some title. Of course, I can remove this. Though I'm just having here an empty on ng init. I don't mind for now. Okay, let me just quickly try to add here a new content. Lorem ipsum. Lorem ipsum. I want the generator. I'll save this and go back to my blogs, and yep, so it's not that bad. But of course this can be improved in the future. I guess that instead of h2 here, I should make this h1. Where is that? This. Yep. I'll save this and I'll end the video now. So thank you guys for watching. This is me again, Carly Gino, and this is the 34th day of my 100 days of code challenge, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye bye. Good night.